Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change role colors on your server, on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, now click here, and here as you see you'll find role color, click on it, and here as you see you can change your role color, also you can here reset it, and after this click save and it should be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.